From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at gold. You can see we've kind of been all over the place today. When I first started this, we were bullish. Now we've sold off. So now it looks like as I flip through the different prices, we're kind of stuck in the middle. Not a huge surprise. Non-farm payroll is Friday, so that's going to have its influence as well. With that being the case, I think you've got to be very cautious. We're right in the middle of what I think is the current trading range between 2000 and 2050. Friday will throw a lot of volatility in. It's short-term back and forth range-bound trading until we can break out of here. Once we break out, then it becomes a little bit more clear. I'm much more comfortable buying than selling, but we've got to get this announcement out of the way, I think.